Hey guys, as you can see, I'm gonna be doing a voiceover, and starting off, I do the eyebrows, and of course, you see that I'm trying to arch the brows in like a like vertical line, and of course, I'm blending the eyebrows in. I'm sorry if this voice note is gonna be like a little short. Um, yeah, I didn't want to like play like the music loud, so I was like, you know what, let me just like mute the video, well, mute some parts of the video. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a voiceover, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. And I'm sorry if my voice is a little raspy or sounds like, I don't know, like young. But anyway, yeah. As you can see, I'm doing the other eyebrow, of course, arching the brows, step by step. You kind of want to make sure that it blends in. You might want to get like a lighter like brown, as you can see, like I have right there. And yeah, you just kind of match your eyebrows, your natural eyebrows, to it, and you just blend it in. And then next, I go in with like the concealer. Well, actually, that's like a concealer and foundation in one. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and, of course, spread it on my face. What am I saying? Oh my gosh, not on my face. You'll see. Okay, there. Basically, spread it under the eyebrows, and yeah, over and under, basically. And yeah, I'm sorry guys if this video is gonna be too long. I try to keep it as short as possible, even though like me doing my makeup takes like an hour or so. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. Make sure to share it too. The holidays are coming up, so I was like, you know what, before I start working, I'm like, you know what, let me just like try to give you guys a video. Of course, this week is Thanksgiving, so I was like, you know what, let me just do something for the holidays. And actually, this look is inspired by the YouTuber Tila Dunn. Don't come for me if you don't like certain YouTubers, but yeah, I just got this makeup look to be inspired by her. And of course, I try to perfect the look. Of course, you know, there's different skin tones, so for my skin tone, I had to minimize and like color correct the eyeshadow. But yeah, basically what you see me doing there is blending the eyebrow, I mean, not the eyebrow, the eyelids, I'm sorry. And yeah, you just make the concealer blend into the skin, basically. And then on to the next eye, do the same process, yada yada yada. Get your blending in, blending in, blend it in. The key is to try to blend it in as possible. So yeah, I learned that from experience for years. So yeah. And of course, that's the process for the eyebrows. And then, of course, going up and down on the brows. Do 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 do. And of course, you know, get it side by side to even it out. As you can see, you always want to level the eyebrows. Of course, they're not going to be like completely like even, but you have to make your eyebrows look like cousins. Of course, next I go in with the sunscreen. I use it as a primer. You can use any type of sunscreen, and just put a little bit on your face, and then blend it out. Smooth it as much as you want to your liking. And wow, I just noticed that my face turned like a little red. Yes, you can see like the little redness. I don't know why, but yeah, this happens like every time I put sunscreen on, but that's okay. And look at me smiling. And then I go in with the eyeshadow, the silver eyeshadow. As you can see, the key is to, well, the look is to, you know, get it to the corners of your eye, as well as like, you know, trying to match it side by side, bringing it over to the other corner. And yeah, look at me looking at you guys. And yeah, and just blend, blend, blend. I take a while to add like eyeshadow on my eyelids, but you guys are just gonna watch it, so yeah. And of course, what you do to the other side is what you do next. And yeah, the same process. That is so cute, like the pop of color. Don't worry guys, it might look a little bit too much, but when I'm done, you guys are gonna see like the video, like the whole like process. So yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with the lighter gold in the middle to blend it in. And no guys, I learned how to do my own makeup like ever since I was little. Like I would always plan my own makeup. I did go to beauty school. I got my license, but of course never got the job in the field. Even though I feel like I want to work for myself. But yeah, I've always was into makeup and like beauty and fashion. So I guess that's why I gravitate to this kind of fun stuff. And it has a lot to do with like me with colors, and of course I draw. But yeah, sorry for elaborating, but now I'm going in with the darker gold, the darker shimmer gold. And yeah, you just blend it in. I tried to do like a little rainbow like effect, because you know how like rainbow colors, like they're like side by side but they look like they're blended in. Yeah, I tried to do that with this look, and I hope you guys like it. Yeah, you guys will stay tuned for another makeup look. I don't know what I'm gonna do as yet, but yeah, just wait and see for the upcoming videos. I kind of want to invest in a camera and a laptop, but of course I don't know when that's gonna happen. But yeah, if that does happen, I'll be able to yeah, invest in my YouTube and other things. So look at me smiling. And then yeah, just trying to fix it up, you know, put a little more just to blend it. Yeah. And then same on the other side, same process. Blend, blend, blend. And then going back in with the little silver in the corner. And yeah. Yeah, super duper cute. And of course do the same process on the other side. Yep. I'm so extra. And now time to put the foundation on. Like I said, I don't really wear makeup, but when I do, I kind of wanted to put the foundation on, because she said that she had like a little bit of foundation on. So I was like, you know what, let me just put it on for like the process of the video. So yeah, but yeah, blend it out to your liking, not to your liking, but to like match your skin tone. Honestly, I don't really know like what's my actual shade, but I feel like the one I just put on is like close to it. And I tried to blend out my blemishes. Yeah. And of course, you guys will see what it looks like. Now, I didn't add any baking powder on because I was like, for one, I'm not really going anywhere, and for two, I just knew that I was gonna take the makeup off right after the video, so I was like, there's no point in setting the face really. So yeah, now it's time to do mascara. And mind you guys, like literally I poked myself in the eye, but I don't think you guys are gonna see that part. But yeah, be careful when like putting on your mascara. I like to wear mascara because it makes me feel like I have long eyelashes, because I don't wear like false lashes, you know, like the fake lashes. So yeah. And now it's time for the lipstick. I'm sorry that you guys couldn't really see me actually put the lipstick on. I forgot that like you guys couldn't see that. But yeah, red lips and beautiful eyeshadow, holiday color. And then I'm gonna go in with the bright red lipstick, or liquid lipstick I should say. Super cute. It's kind of giving like a Halle Bailey vibe. Yeah, it's super cute. You guys know what type of makeup I like? I like the 90s makeup, like with like Fantasia and Ashanti, like how they used to wear their makeup, and Aaliyah. Like I love like the soft glam look, and I kind of want to know like how they used to do the makeup back in the day. But yeah, I mean, I'm a 90s baby, so I mean, I'm not too old, but I'm not too young anymore as well. So yeah. But super, super red, super cute. And yes. There we go. Okay, you guys, so that was the end of the video. I'm sorry if like the tutorial was kind of like off the place, but I really tried my hardest. I had to like go in off camera and kind of fix the eyeshadow twice. Obviously, like there's like, you know, like sparkles I said sparkles all over my face, but I couldn't remove it. I tried to. I put foundation over it, but yeah. This is the Tila Dunn look. Okay, you guys, so that was the holiday look. Okay, you guys, so this is towards the end of the video. Of course, I always have to, you know, show you guys me looking super duper cute. Of course, I did my own hair. The process took 4 days. And yeah, okay, basically guys, you guys already gotten a video of me doing my hair. Guys, so it's the same steps, at least just like make the braids smaller. And yeah, I'm like loving me just looking super duper cute. Obviously, like I fixed it like twice. Yeah. Thank you guys for like, commenting, and subscribing. But I wanted to recreate this look. Yeah, I think it's so beautiful. Yeah. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell, so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And yeah. Like, I'm loving this. This is so cute. Okay, you guys, so of course I forgot to say that you know, I was just like, you know, fixing my hair, making sure that I look okay for the video. I didn't want to like, you know, mute the video. I mean, I didn't want to like play any music or like have like be copyrighted. So yeah, guys, love you. I feel like it's super cute for the holidays. Wow. But yeah. Bye, guys.